Hello everyone, this is Engineer Dom, and let's talk about the Master Plumber exam. So, dito tatalakayin natin ang mga requirements, sino ang pwedeng mag-take ng Master Plumber exam, ano ang mga subjects, ilang oras per subject, ilang items per subject, at ilang araw ang exam. Tatalakayin din natin ang mga kailangang dalhin during exam, at ang passing percentage ng Master Plumber exam. Before we start, subscribe lamang po ang ating channel. Pag-click lamang ng subscribe button sa baba. At pwede nyo ring i-like and share ang ating video. Thank you. Application requirements. Kailangan nyong i-present ang mga sumusunod sa PRC. NSO or PSA birth certificate. Kung kayo naman po ay married female applicant, kailangan nyo ring i-present ang inyong NSO or PSA marriage contract. Transcript of records with picture na may tatak na for board examination purposes. Then payment na 600 pesos. Online payment na yan ngayon. Sino ba pwede mag-take? Pwede ka mag-take kung ikaw ay graduate ng architecture, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, kagaya ko, chemical engineering, at mining engineering. Kailangan din dapat na may SO or special order ang inyong TOR or transcript of records. Pwede rin mag-exam ang mga non-degree holder o ang mga high school graduate kung merong 5 years experience sa plumbing works at dapat notarize ang i-present na certificate of experience sa PRC signed by the registered master plumber. At pwede rin ang BSEE, Graduate or Electrical Engineering, basta may 5 years experience, kailangan lang i-present ang Certificate of Employment or Service Record. Ito naman ang program ng Master Plumber Licensure Exam. So, bali 2 araw ang exam. Sa day 1, 7 o'clock to 7:45 a.m. Isasabi na ng proctor ang general instructions at mag-fill up na ng forms. Then 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock a.m. Mag-start na ang unang subject which is the plumbing arithmetic. Bali 2 hours ang exam. Ang weight niya is 10% at merong 100 items. 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. Susunod ang second subject which is the SPDI or Sanitation Plumbing Design and Installation. 6 hours ang exam, weight is 40% at merong 100 items. Sa day 2 naman, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. start na ng third subject which is the plumbing code. Ang weight niya is 10%, merong 100 items. Then 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. start na ng last subject which is the practical problems. Ang weight is 40% at merong 100 items. Let's move now to general instruction. 2 to 3 days magpo-post ang PRC ng school or building assignments. I-search nyo lang sa internet para malaman nyo kung saang school, building at room kayo. Then, always bring your NOAA or Notice of Admission during exam. And dapat before 5:30 a.m. nandun na sa school or place kung saan kayo magti-take ng exam. Ito naman ang kailangang isuot during examination day. Para sa male examinees, white polo or shirts na may collar, nakatuck-in at dapat walang seal, logo or marks. Magsuot din ng desente na pantalon or slacks. At para naman sa female examinees, white blouse or shirts na may collar at dapat walang seal, logo or marks. Magsuot din ng desente na pantalon, slacks or skirts. Huwag kalimutan dalhin ang Notice of Admission or NOAA, official receipt, 2 or more pencils na number 2, ball pens with black ink only, 1 piece long brown envelope, calculators na may addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, trigonometric function, logarithm, or isearch nyo na lang sa internet ang mga allowed calculators ng PRC. Magdala din ng 1 long transparent plastic envelope Then, health forms. Makikita nyo yan sa internet. I-search lamang ang PRC health forms. May mga annexes yan. Need nyo fill upan ang mga yan dahil ipapasa ang mga yan before mag-start ang exam. Together with the photocopy of your vaccination card. Dadalhin din ang original vaccination card dahil titingnan niya ng proctor. Then, in order to pass the Master Plumber exam, you must attain the average score of 70%. At dapat walang below 50% each subject. Kahit na 90 plus percent ang nakuha mo sa 3 subject, kung ang isang subject ay below 50%, so failed pa rin. Kung papalarin kayo, ay makukuha nyo ito. Ayan, ang pinaka-aasam-asam na lisensya. I take the Master Plumber exam last February 2023. Sa awa ng Diyos, binigay niya agad sa akin. I hope na sana kayo rin. Maraming salamat po. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe po sa ating channel. Bisitahin lamang ang ating channel dahil meron akong video tutorials, practice problems about Master Plumber exam at iba pa. Thank you.